Hello, my name's Andy and welcome to the garage. Welcome back to the channel everyone, and here is my next restoration, a Polistil VW Cabriolet. Now, it doesn't need too much doing to it really. The paint's not bad, it's just the underneath that's really heavily corroded. So we're just going to try and get away with a polish and a respray underneath. So let's get on with it, shall we? Now here is our little VW. The paint's not too bad. There's a bit of blebbing. Got the roof. The glass is really good. I think we'll go for a quick resto. It's the base that's shot, look. So 2 rivets. So let's get those drilled out and see what we've got. Let's hope that's enough. And it is. It's got a nice body. There's a crumbly base. Look at the detail inside there we couldn't see. Amazing. Wheels look really good. Does the glass come out? Oh, it's actually broke there at the front. It's not in pieces. I think it was broke. And there's the rest of it out in one go. So my plan for this is try and polish this as best I can. So no painting, quick resto. That glass will go back in, as will that. That's all quite good. Was it broke there? I think it did break there. Give the interior a clean. Clean this and maybe just respray this at the bottom, depending how well it cleans. Well, I'm sorry, I've just given this its first polish using this auto glue. Spread it on with a cocktail stick and then just put this wheel on. And I went round it and went to turn off the microphones and realised I hadn't turned them on. But you haven't missed much. What it has done, it's brought off a few marks on the bonnet. What of course it can't do is change these casting lines on the front wings there and the rear ones here. So we've got to live with that. I've also got some posts that I'm hoping will take a 2mm tap. Find out. Just get a grinding wheel and tidy them up at the ends. Then get a 1.6mm drill in there. What I don't want to do, of course, and I've just done it, put this on the iron filings from drilling. First thing is we'll try and give this a manual brush, because we haven't actually been properly able to identify who made it yet. As we thought before, it's made in Italy, just there, by Polistil, not Polistil, however you pronounce it. Well, I've just given this a base brush with these brushes, and it's come up quite nice, both inside, even though you're not going to see it, and outside. So I'm just going to put some auto sol on now and try and give it a bit better polish. Now I'm going to use this wheel, so we'll just move that to one side. Then we can take just an old cloth to it. No need for painting. I thought at one point it might need painting, but once I got the corrosion off it, the oxidation, looked quite nice. So I'll just get in maybe with a cotton bud into those little bits. I think you get the gist of that. So I'll keep polishing that. The next job will be to tap these for a screw. So here we go with a 1.6mm drill. Tap into there. Right, that's both holes drilled. So we've got our tap here. We'll just get a bit of Vaseline on that. Just have a pot at the side of it that dip it in. We can start to tap. I tend to do 4 one way, turn it back, another 4, turn it back. To the end now, that one, and give it a clean. Then do the other side. That side's done too. The next thing is to find some screws that fit in those holes. Now, as you can see, I've amassed several boxes of screws in the hope of finding some that have wider heads. And what I'd like here is a silver headed screw. So there we have one. Will it drop through the hole? No, it's going to be perfect. So get another one of those out if I can. And that doesn't have the size on, but I know it's an M2 from the looks of it. The other boxes do have the sizes, etc. That'd be my next go-to. M2. A lot thicker heads on those, but it's like we've got away with these, so we'll try these and test fit them. Well, they proved to be a bit long, but these M26 hex screws, put those in and they're fine. I've got myself this little hex screwdriver now with various heads. It's better than the Allen key setup I had before. So what we can do now is give this body another polish off camera, and then can start to look at putting it back together. The wheels aren't bad. I might touch one or two up with a Molotov pen. I think I'll do that next. So just a couple of places where the wheels have got great. Not bad at all. See, that one's fine, that side. Do the centres. So that's the wheels taken care of. Now, there's no need to do anything with the glass. It's okay as it is. The top and the glass are fused together. It's like black plastic melted on there. So I'll give this one more polish, then we can put it back together. Well, there you are. You see, we've had a bit of a tidy up. Just got into the little bits there where there was a bit of polish, one of those sharp cotton buds. So now we can move back to assembly. The first thing to get on is this roof, and there's a clip here at the back, look for it, and then it clips in something like that. I haven't test fitted this because I thought I'd only get one go at it. There it is. Just a matter of squeezing it in. There we are. And I think we'll have to put a bit of glue on that front glass. So what we've got is a bit of this Microsoft Crystal Clear. Just have to put it down the posts. See if we can get it to show you there. There we go, look, just down there. And bit on the underside there of the screen's going to go. Should do it. Fingers and thumbsy. Hear that click into place there. It's a bit of Microsoft Clear showing through. That would be okay. It'll dry clear, but let's take any excess off. That's great. Now we've not done anything to our interior, so we can pop that straight back in. Pop our wheels on. Get our base. We know that's the back because there's the transmission. Get our 2 screws there and find where I put the hex key box. Here it is. Well, here is our finished Beetle. See, there's a definite shine now to it. Both sides. This side's fared better than that side. This is the side with a bit of paint blebbing. Of course, the wheels were touched up. Just a general polish on the roof there. And the underside. That's the big change. That's why we did it. So we're not going to put this on the turntable. Just prove it's a roller. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Bit of something different. We do talk about these things, but we never video them, or at least I haven't. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you next week with another video. Bye for now. Take care.